In this quick nugget, we are going to take a look at converting standard name functions into ES6 Arrow functions. If you take a look, we have 3 different name functions, and we are going to convert them into arrow functions. The first name function takes 2 parameters. Then we have a second name function with 1 parameter. And the last name function with 0 parameters. Now let's go ahead and convert our named function into an arrow function. So first, we remove the keyword function. Since with an arrow function, this is already assumed. And now, we just assign the function to a variable. So in this case, we are going to call the variable sum. We use the variable to store the function. Next, we add the arrow to denote that this is an arrow function, and that what is contained on the left side is our parameters, and to the right of the arrow denotes our function expression. And if we go ahead and test this, both functions produces the same result, but you must agree that the arrow function looks much cleaner and much easier to use. Now we can go further to reduce these codes by removing the return keyword and the curly braces in this case, since we are returning a single statement. Now let's convert the single parameter function into an arrow function. First, we get rid of the keyword function. Next, we change the display name to a constant, and we add in the arrow. We can go ahead and remove the return keyword, and we can also further reduce it by getting rid of these curly braces. And in this case, because we have one single parameter, we can also remove the parentheses around the parameter, and that should work just the same. Now let's look at our name function with 0 parameters. We can do the exact same thing, remove the function keyword and replace it with a variable assignment. And then we add our arrow. And of course, we can further reduce this code by removing the parentheses, since we have only one statement being returned. We can also again remove the return keyword, since this is already inferred. We can also use arrow functions as anonymous functions when passing it in other functions, as seen in this example. This is very common in libraries such as React and Vue. In this, we are setting our title to quick nuggets when the button is clicked by executing the setTitle function when our anonymous function is called. And these are some quick tips when converting standard name function into arrow functions. Thank you once again for watching, and do join us in our next video. Please remember to like and share, since that really helps our channel. I'll see you in the next video.